Pompano Beach Door Services offer a wide range of options for door installation and door replacement. Whether you need entry doors, patio doors, sliding doors, or French doors, our expert team is ready to assist with all your door needs. We specialize in custom replacement doors Pompano Beach, ensuring that each door fits perfectly and enhances the aesthetic of your home. For those seeking energy-efficient doors Pompano Beach, we provide a variety of options that help reduce energy costs while maintaining style and security. Our door consultation Pompano Beach services include door measurements and door fitting to ensure a seamless installation process. We also offer door sealing Pompano Beach to enhance insulation and protect against the elements. Door security is a top priority for homeowners in Pompano Beach, Florida. Our Pompano Beach door security solutions include impact doors and storm doors designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. We also provide door hardware Pompano Beach to enhance the security and functionality of your doors. If you're considering door upgrades Pompano Beach, our team can guide you through the latest door styles and door materials available. From traditional to modern designs, we offer a wide selection of door finishes in Pompano Beach to match your home's decor. Our door customization Pompano Beach services allow you to create a unique look that reflects your personal style. Pompano Beach door maintenance is essential for prolonging the life of your doors. Regular door adjustments and door replacement Pompano Beach can prevent issues such as sticking or misalignment. Our door frames Pompano Beach services ensure that your doors remain sturdy and functional over time. For those in need of replacement doors Pompano Beach, we offer a comprehensive selection of options to suit any budget or style preference. Our sliding door replacement Pompano Beach and French door installation Pompano Beach services are performed by skilled professionals who prioritize quality and customer satisfaction. Pompano Beach patio door replacement services are designed to enhance your outdoor living space. Our team can help you select the perfect patio doors that offer both beauty and functionality. We also provide impact door services Pompano Beach to ensure your home is protected from severe weather. Door finishes Pompano Beach are available in a variety of colors and textures to complement your home's exterior. Our door materials Pompano Beach include wood, fiberglass, and steel, each offering unique benefits in terms of durability and appearance. With our door customization Pompano Beach services, you can create a door that is truly one of a kind. Door consultation Pompano Beach is the first step in achieving the perfect door for your home. Our experts will assess your needs and provide recommendations for replacement doors Pompano Beach styles that suit your taste and budget. We also offer door measurements and door fitting Pompano Beach to ensure a precise installation.